I'd now like you to add the holes to hold the candles in place. So to do that, we're going to add a new sketch onto the top surface of the block. And if we press the N key, we look at it in 2D. Click on the circle tool and draw a circle in the middle. Then draw one on the left-hand side of that circle, and if you wait for the dashed line, that means it's in the same middle point. If you then press the D key, you can dimension those circles to be 40 millimeters. Like so. Then we need to measure the circle from the middle circle, and we need to change that distance to be 80. Like so. So now we have our 3 circles in place. We accept, we spin our work round in 3D, we choose the extrude feature, and we pick our circles. So let's pick all 3 this time. We want them to go the other direction, so we can click on this little arrow here which goes down. We can choose 15 because that's the depth, not 156, we want 15. There we go. But what we must do is choose remove and remove material. That's what we're going to get, so we accept, which gives us our 3 holes.